Have you ever wondered what happens when a legendary American icon decides to completely rewrite the rulebook? What if everything you thought you knew about muscle, about power, about the very soul of a sports car, was about to be turned on its head? That's the question bouncing around every garage, every car show, and every late-night conversation among people who love cars. It's a question that doesn't have an easy answer because the answer isn't a simple statement. It's a machine. It's the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette. For years, we've watched the Corvette evolve. We saw it challenge European exotics, dominate the track, and solidify its place as America's sports car. But this is different. This isn't just another step in its evolution. It's a giant leap into a new dimension. Chevrolet took a look at their masterpiece, a car that was already at the pinnacle of performance and design, and asked themselves a daring question: how do we make a legend even more legendary? It's a statement of intent, a declaration that American ingenuity isn't just alive and well. It's leading the charge. This isn't just a car for the sunny boulevards of California or the winding roads of the Blue Ridge Mountains. This is a car for every American driver who has ever felt that thrill, that connection between human and machine. It speaks to that part of us that appreciates raw power, precision engineering, and the unmistakable roar of an engine that means business. The 2026 Corvette is a testament to the American dream, built by American hands for the American road. To understand why the 2026 model is such a monumental event, you have to look back at the shoulders it stands on. The Corvette isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of American history. Since 1953, it has been the dream machine for generations of drivers. From the classic lines of the C1, a car that captured the optimism of post-war America, to the raw, untamed power of the C3 Stingray that defined the muscle car era, it has consistently pushed boundaries. Fuel injection, independent rear suspension, composite body panels. The Corvette did it first. It's a legacy Chevrolet guards fiercely, and each generation must honor the past while building the future. It has earned our trust over 70+ years. The car your dad dreamed of, your grandfather admired, the one on your wall. This deep-rooted connection is why the 2026 model is so electrifying. The legacy isn't just continued, it's supercharged. Here's the thing that's driving everyone crazy. Trying to get your hands on a 2026 Corvette is like trying to catch smoke. The demand is simply unprecedented. Waiting lists measured in years, not months, with collectors offering insane premiums. Alright, let's get down to the brass tacks. What is the big secret? What is this revolution all about? The rumors have been swirling for months, but now the official specs are out, and they are staggering. The 2026 Corvette introduces a powertrain that nobody, and I mean nobody, expected from an American muscle car. It's called the Hydra Boost V8. At its core is a newly designed 6.2-liter LT Series small block V8, paired with a compact high-performance electric motor integrated directly into the transaxle, not a fuel economy, hybrid pure, unadulterated performance. The gasoline engine produces 680 horsepower. The electric motor adds 220 to the rear wheels. Do the math. 900 horsepower in a production Corvette, instantaneous throttle response, no lag. Touch the pedal, and you get a gut punch of acceleration, like being launched off an aircraft carrier. A completely new sensation of speed. Numbers don't tell the whole story. The genius is in how power is delivered. Torque vectoring can independently adjust power to each rear wheel thousands of times per second. Result: it corners like it's on rails. On entry, more power to the outside wheel pushes the nose into the apex. An active handling system that makes average drivers feel like pros. This is hypercar level control. Rimac, Koenigsegg. A car with this much revolutionary technology under the skin couldn't just look like its predecessor. The 2026 Corvette's design is as radical as its powertrain. The designers crafted a shape both breathtakingly beautiful and brutally functional. Every line, every vent, every surface has a purpose. Taking the mid-engine C8 platform as a starting point, they've stretched and sharpened the bodywork. Lower, wider, and more aggressive than any Corvette before it. The most striking feature is active aerodynamics. Front splitter, side skirts, hidden panels, and wings that adjust automatically based on your driving. In a straight line, they retract to minimize drag, slicing through air with incredible efficiency. Brake hard, a massive rear wing deploys. Turn in. Front canards emerge to glue the car to the pavement. Lighting went all out. Razor-thin LED headlights flow into flared fenders. At the rear, a single seamless light bar nods to heritage and pulses under braking. Every detail obsessed over, from the intricate carbon diffuser to a vented glass engine cover that proudly showcases the heart within. Lightweight carbon composite panels and 3D printed titanium structural components trim weight and increase rigidity. Despite hybrid and active aero, it weighs only slightly more than the outgoing Z06. It's a masterpiece of form and function, a rolling sculpture that will be studied and admired for years to come. So, what is this revolution I'm talking about? It's more than a new model year. It's a complete reimagining of what a Corvette can be, so advanced, powerful, and jaw-droppingly beautiful it feels teleported from the future. Is it still a Corvette? Absolutely. And it's the muscle car revolution nobody saw coming. Now, I want you to do something for me. Close your eyes for a moment. Forget about the waiting lists, forget about the price tag, and just imagine. Imagine you have the key fob in your hand. It's heavy, cool, and bears the iconic Corvette cross flags. You approach. It senses you. Handles pop. Lights sweep a welcoming sequence across those incredible lines. You slide into the driver's seat. Supple leather, supportive Alcantara, molding perfectly to your body. Take a deep breath. The rich scent of new leather, the faint clean aroma of advanced electronics. Your hands grip the squared-off carbon wheel. A fully digital display flickers to life and greets you by name. Through the steeply raked windshield, the road stretches. Your finger finds the red pulsing start button. Like a heartbeat, you press it. 900 horses awaken. Vibration through your chest. You roll onto an open road, desert straight or mountain camber. Hesitation, then throttle. The world blurs, the V8 roar and electric whine fuse. A paddle flick snaps a seamless shift. You and machine become one. This is more than transportation. It's freedom, power, control. A moment where worries melt, leaving only you, the car, and the road. This is the promise of the 2026 Corvette, an invitation to feel alive. Stepping inside is like a next-gen fighter jet. Driver-focused wraparound continues, with a refined command wall and touch-sensitive glass panel for a cleaner, futuristic look. A massive curved 16K cluster offers a classic TAC layout, a track mode with telemetry, or a minimalist stealth mode. The showstopper is the AR heads-up, navigation, speed, even a racing line floating over the road, keeping eyes up. Every surface feels premium. Hand-stitched Italian leather, real exposed weave carbon, aluminum speaker grills milled from a single block. Seats heat, ventilate, and actively tighten in high Gs. Race car function meets grand touring luxury for track days or cross-country. Details elevate the feel. Ambient lighting with millions of colors linked to modes. Track glows red, Tour cools blue. A Bowers & Wilkins system tuned for this cabin delivers a private concert clarity and power. Beyond the powertrain, tech serves the drive. Next-gen PTM uses predictive algorithms, GPS, road surface sensors, and weather to pre-adjust traction and stability, a co-pilot for maximum performance, safely. 5th-gen magnetic ride uses MR fluid, changes viscosity in milliseconds. Cameras scan ahead to adjust each damper before bumps. Plush in Tour, race stiff in an instant. Performance data recorder now captures in 4K with throttle, brake, steering, Gs, and hybrid power flow. An invaluable coaching tool. All of it is harmonized by Neuron, the central vehicle brain coordinating powertrain, suspension, aero, and aids. Tech that makes you the hero.